This video demonstrates the Blackpear GP Record Viewer app, which provides real-time access to GP patient records at any location on any device using a modern browser such as Chrome or Safari. Firstly, click on GP Patient Record. Click on Find Patient. Now search for the patient using any two of the identifiers shown here. Select Search. This drop-down menu provides the list of GP practices and organisations from which you can access patient records. Select the one you require. We will select Blackpear Test Practice, which is an EMIS web practice. The search returns the matching patient. Select the patient. You must record the patient's consent to view their record. Two options are provided. Patient consent is used if they have sufficient capacity to grant consent. Implied consent is selected if they are incapacitated and access to their record is necessary to deliver safe care. For example, the patient is unconscious and the clinician needs to know the patient's current medications before administering any treatment. Add additional notes regarding the circumstances of the implied consent in this text box. Consent is automatically recorded in their GP record with the associated READ or SNOMED code. If consent is refused, you are not able to access the record. All access or attempted access by users and the consent granted is recorded in the service's detailed audit logs. The patient's details are presented live from the GP record. Simply click View to access the detailed patient information. You have now reached the Patient's Record Viewer, which provides the ability to find a wide variety of information about the patient. Users are able to view the elements of the patient record as permitted for their service and their role in that service. The information is organised into a series of tabs, with each tab presenting the information in descending date order. Tabs such as Encounters, Allergies, Smoking, and Immunisations provide a list of the relevant recorded items you would expect to find in those tabs. The remaining tabs provide more detailed information. In each tab you can search, filter, rank and sort the information interacting with the record versus a fixed view to aid finding and reviewing required information. Under Problems you will find current active problems and inactive problems. Clicking on Active or Inactive Problems headers provides a smart type search box. Under Observations are the observations in the record you are permitted to view, including associated free text. Clicking on the Date or Observation header allows you to sort by date order. Click the three-bar menu icon to the far right of the observations opens a filter feature. Click an observation and scroll down the page for a full view of the information. The Medication tab provides a list of current authorised active repeat medications and a list below of acute medications prescribed in the last 6 months, along with the same filter and sorting features. Under Blood Pressure, you will find the historical blood pressure readings, which you can easily and quickly filter and sort to find specific values or trends of interest. For example, a systolic blood pressure greater than 140 recorded since the 1st of January 2005. The Laboratory and Radiology Investigations tabs provide the historical results for this wide variety of tests. The filter and sorting feature allows you to quickly identify results relevant to the current episode of care. Additional information can be incorporated into the app. For example, Docman Vault provides access to clinical documents held in Docman. The app also can be easily tailored to specific clinical service information, sharing needs and workflows. The service also supports writing data back to the GP record. This will be covered in a separate video.